wise and get truckerized today.
Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for JR in Alabama on this Connex 4300 HP. JR, got it ready to go for you, bud. It's got the Toshiba 2290 in it. I know you said you picked this up online. We talked about the repairs it needed and so forth. Some hack mods in there, and did the talkback mod for you where it's cleaned up the talkback some. And let's just get right to it. Gonna start with RF power all the way down. 50 watt slug. This is one I wish I did a before and after on, because it was really dirty all the way on the spectrum analyzer. So we're at 1 watt all the way down, about 9 watts all the way up. I'll show you average power swing. Hello. Yeah, we're looking about a 22 bird. 100 watt slug and peak. Hello, willow, 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 willow. 60 watts on the money. Alright there, JR. This thing ought to last you a while. It's got that tough Toshiba in it, and got some good audio to it. JR, enjoy from your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum bum.
Get your truckerized tune today. Truckerized.